38. Have a look on illustration 38, and it is give the necessary journal entries for the following transaction on dissolution of the firm of Anita and Ravi. Two partners were there, Anita and Ravi. After the various assets other than cash and third party liabilities have been transferred to realization account, they share profits in the ratio 3:2. So we have to make the journal entries. First is Ravi was to get a remuneration of 23,000 for completing the dissolution process. He also agreed to bear all the expenses. So we have to make payment to Ravi 23,000 and he will bear all the expenses. Whenever beta we have to give anything to partner, we will just pass a single journal entry realization to partner. Name of the partner was Ravi. So Ravi's capital account. We have to give 23,000 to Ravi. Whenever we are going to give something to partner, we will write realization to partner means realization to Ravi. 23,000. Remuneration to partner. Remuneration to partner. Next bache, in this entry also it is given that he also agreed to bear realization expenses. Realization expenses of 10,000 were paid by Ravi from the firm's cash. Means he have given from our account. Means firm have paid. From cash we have paid, but it was to be paid by Ravi. So it will be debited to Ravi's capital account. He said ki give me 23,000, I will bear all the expenses. But he make the payment of all the expenses through firm's cash. We have given cash, but we will charge this cash from Ravi's capital account. Clear bache? Second, B part of the question. Amitesh, an old customer whose account for 60,000 was written off as bad in the previous year, paid 90%. Whenever you will receive anything from any asset, you will write bank account debit to realization account. Amount received from bad debt. You have received rupees 90% of 60,000 means 54,000. We have received, whenever we will receive anything from any asset, we will write bank to realization account. Creditors of rupees 40,000 accepted furniture of 38,000 in full settlement. I told earlier also, whenever any creditor will accept any asset, there will be no entry. If our any creditor will accept any asset, there will be no entry for that. Fourth one, land and building was sold for 3 lakh through a brokerage who charged through a broker who charged 2% commission. But whenever we are selling any asset, we will write bank to realization. Same entry for any asset, bank to realization for any amount received from asset. So the value of land and building was 3 lakh rupees. But we have to pay 2% commission. 2% of 6 lakh will be, sorry, 3 lakh will be 6,000. 2% of 3 lakh will be 6,000. If we have paid brokerage 6,000, we have received 2,94,000. Any doubt, bache? Whenever we will receive any amount from any asset, we will record bank to realization. 3 lakh was the cost and 2% we have paid brokerage. Next entry, bache, fifth. There were 500 shares of rupees 40 each in Vision Limited acquired at a cost of rupees 22,000. We have purchased at 22,000 and had been written off completely from the books. These shares are now valued at rupees 50 each and divided among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. We have realized these assets now, and it will be divided among the partners. Whenever a partner is taking any asset, his capital account will be debited. Anita's capital account debit, Ravi's capital account debit to realization account. 500 shares were there and they have been realized at rupees 50. We just have to see ki whatever we have realized. 500 was the value of shares and we have realized it at rupees 50. So we have realized 25,000 and it will be divided among the partners in their profit sharing ratio, that will be 3:2. 15,000 and 10,000. Whenever a partner will take any asset, we will debit the partner's capital account to realization. If we are selling in the market, we will write bank to realization. So last journal entry, profit on realization 54,000. Profit on realization 54,000. And for the profit, we will pass a journal entry, realization to partners. Profit will be divided to Anita's capital and Ravi's capital. This is the way we divide the profit, and it will be divided in the ratio 3:2. Any doubt, बच्चे? Illustration 41. It is given कि if total assets are 5 lakh and total liability is 1 lakh, amount realized from sale of asset 420, expenses 5,000, what will be the profit or loss on realization? If they are asking about the profit and loss, you have to prepare a realization account. It is a very easy concept. In realization account, you will transfer the assets 5 lakh, you will transfer the liabilities 1 lakh. Then these assets have realized at 420. These assets will realized at 420 and expenses on realization 5,000. But what is missing here? You have to make the payment of liabilities whether it is given in the question or not. You have to make the payment. This was the only concept. And after totaling it, you will subtract the credit side and you will get loss of rupees 85,000 here. 42 बच्चे. Debtors appearing 2 lakh and 10,000 provision. Bad debts 25,000 and remaining debtors realized at 5% discount. So you have to calculate how much amount was realized from debtors. 2 lakh you have to transfer here and 10,000 you will transfer here. Nothing to do with the provision. 2 lakh was the value of debtors and 25,000 are bad. They are not going to give us the money. 2 lakh minus 25,000, it will be 175. And on this 175, you have to charge 5% discount. 175, 5% of 175 will be 8750. Now you have finally realized 166250. This is the amount which will be realized from the debtors.